Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the much anticipated Nothing Phone 2A Plus. If you've been following Nothing's journey, you know they're all about delivering stylish, budget-friendly phones, and the 2A Plus is no exception. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus follows the launch of the Nothing Phone 2A from this past spring. While the plus in the name might make you think it's a bigger phone, it actually sticks with the same 6.7-inch AMOLED display. But don't let that fool you, there are some notable upgrades under the hood. Design-wise, it looks almost identical to the Nothing Phone 2A, featuring that signature translucent back and the cool LED strip lights forming the glimpse interface. The major design change? 2 new color options, gray and black. Personally, I'm loving the lighter tones of the gray version, it really stands out. Now, let's talk about the display. The 6.7-inch AMOLED with an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate is a delight. Crisp, clear, and vibrant. It's everything you'd want. Nothing claims it can hit 1,300 nits of brightness, while the Phone 2A hit 990 nits in our tests. I'm eager to see if the Plus can top that. Moving on to the cameras. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus sticks with the dual 50MP main and ultra-wide cameras from its predecessor. I love the main camera on the 2A for its detail and dynamic range, and I'm hoping the Plus will deliver the same. The selfie camera, however, gets a bump to 50MP from the previous 32MP, promising sharper selfies. Performance is where the Nothing Phone 2A Plus gets interesting. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7350 Pro 5G chip, which is said to be 10% faster than the 7200 Pro in the standard 2A. Coupled with 12GB of RAM, it should handle most tasks with ease. Gaming performance is something I'm keen to test out next. Battery life? The Plus packs the same 5000 mAh battery as the 2A, which already impressed us with 15 hours of usage. With the new chipset, we might see even longer life. Charging also gets a slight upgrade to 50W, up from 45W. Sadly, no wireless charging yet. A quick heads up on connectivity, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus doesn't support AT&T and Verizon's 5G networks, so T-Mobile is your best bet. Availability-wise, it's broader this time around. The gray model will be available in the US through the beta program starting August 7th, with early access in the UK on August 3rd at the Nothing store in London. So, is the Nothing Phone 2A Plus worth the extra $50 over the standard 2A? With its upgraded specs, it certainly offers good value, especially considering it undercuts the Pixel 8a by a wide margin. If you're looking for a stylish, budget-friendly phone and can work with T-Mobile's network, it's definitely worth considering. That's it for our hands-on review of the Nothing Phone 2A Plus. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech reviews. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.